Open the lid and fill the water tank with drinking water. The water level should not exceed max level, as indicated on the water gauge. Place the funnel securely into the funnel holder. Insert the permanent filter basket into the funnel. Add coffee powder into permanent filter. Close the top cover completely. Place the carafe handle closed horizontally onto the warming plate. Press the power button to their position. The red indicator light will turn on and brewing will begin. You can pause brewing anytime by pressing the power button. Red light turns off. Press the power button again to resume brewing. You may remove the carafe to pour coffee at any time. Brewing pauses automatically. Replace the carafe within 30 seconds to avoid spills. When brewing finishes about 1 minute after dripping stops, remove the carafe and serve. Turn off the power after completion.